pleasant good morning. I just want to make this video to thank Islandwide Express for the great job they're doing. I was using some other services and I find them to be more expensive. So I switched to Islandwide Express, and I can tell you, I'm so happy and my wife is happy. As you can see, I'm an officer on the ship, and I send a lot of packages to my wife in Jamaica. I'm in Alaska, and my packages arrive on time and in good order. My wife is happy, I'm happy. Okay, so I made the best choice in delivering packages. Okay, Islandwide. I even send some packages and I'm not being charged because they're so light and so small. They were shipped and cleared for free. Unbelievable. Islandwide, you are the best. Islandwide Express. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again on behalf of my wife and myself, and I will never stop using Islandwide Express. Kudos, Islandwide Express. I found my delivery.